Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a room tour of my bedroom that I always sleep in every day. So here we have my gaming setup. So this is where I play video games whenever I'm free and whenever I just want to play games with my friends online. Here we have my bed that I always sleep on every day. I always make my bed in the morning, so it's always ready for me when I want to go to sleep during the night. And here is my shelf that I always keep everything in. I always organize different stuff like books, games, anything that belongs with my Xbox, and etc. And here I recently bought this because it was a gift that I wanted. Here is my computer that I used to use for school, but I no longer use this computer for anything. Here I have a poster which I'm planning on putting a anything on it really, and a Spider-Man 3 poster I used to have as a kid, which I really loved. And here we have my exercise machine, which I use to exercise every day and night before I go to bed. And here we have my closet that I got this special shirt. So, because I really like this shirt that I have. And this is just some stuff that came with my Xbox. And I have a memory box back here that I put everything from my old school in, including my graduation stuff that I really loved. And in this room, I just really feel happy where I am. If you guys have any questions or anything, please let me know.